Story time. We got yelled at by the LAPD.
And then when
This is so cool.
I will eat it.
Then eat it.
Okay. Where's Costco?
Be nice.
Oh yeah. Hot.
Yeah, I knew it right away. That was some haters.
What?
Our area doesn't have good coffee. Is what I've learned.
They don't have coffee.
By the way, let me express myself.
I like it. It does taste like what you're saying.
Which is, again, that's also good. But it doesn't taste like a flaky, sitting in the middle of France. Boy.
So coffee's mid.
The coffee is good. Your syrup is just.
Yeah, there's a lot of lavender in my coffee personally. And you know what? That's okay. I think I'm gonna start asking for a certain amount of lavender.
Maybe on day 3 he'll learn.
Yeah, but it's okay because you know what? We're going to Alfred tomorrow, right?
So we wouldn't need to ask them.
And they do actual cold brew.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for Alfred in Studio City. We're here at the Hollywood Sign Park, Lake Hollywood Park something. Apparently we're going on a hike, like a full-on hike. It's an hour one way, and I don't want to do this anymore, but I'm being forced to. So, let's go. Hey, y'all should get married. It's literally been 5 minutes, and I'm already out of breath. I can't do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the Hollywood hike, the Hollywood Sign hike. It is beautiful. Not too difficult yet. We're rocking and rolling. Look, Sahir is tired for no reason. He's a young child growing.
Let me be a grumpy teenager.
He's being a grumpy teenager. But this is great. We're chilling. Loving it.
We're honestly pretty far up in the hike. I think it's about to get really intense though. It's like, I would be down to turn around here. People are taking some pictures, and yes.
Update everyone.
Hold on.
Update
That's
everyone.
not the mic.
Update everyone. We're about, I think, halfway there, maybe 3/4 of the way there. Hollywood Sign is adieu. I don't think that's the right word.
It's not.
But we're rocking and rolling. Friends, spirits are good. Friends are great. See you on the other side.
Story time. We got yelled at by the LAPD. We were on our hike, and we thought we were going the right way because on the website that Mac found, it like told us, oh yeah, like you're gonna think this is bad, but you're going the right way. Oops. You're gonna think you're going the wrong way, but you're not. It's correct. Just go to the left. So we go to the left, and we're like, this seems a little odd, but let's go. You know, it seems it's what the website said. So we go and we hear an like over the intercom thing, and what do they say?
LAPD, please leave. You are on camera and you are trespassing. LAPD.
And then they said that like 5 times, and I was like, dude, we get it, we're leaving. Anyways, that's all. We'll see you at Cafe Gratitude.
Smashed avocado.
Yes, to eat
Peacefully smashed avocado.
Oh! You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Feeling very great.
But you see the menu itself is like Sahir Sam.
We always serve food,
Aw.
but especially after.
I'm valued.
You are. You are valued.
I am invincible. I am.
I am
I
full.
am parked longer than I should have been.
Oops. I am excited to go to Warner Brothers. We are. Oh my god, that was really good. That was a good meal. That pasta.
Our choices were good. Like we had
I
different
agree.
kinds of things.
I agree. But we're now headed to Warner Brothers Studio Tour Extravaganza. We're here. This is so cool. Oh my god, Arrow. Dude, my childhood favorite TV shows were all Warner Brothers.
And then when
This is so cool. Okay, there's a lot. So if there's anything super highlighty, I will come show y'all, obviously. You know it. Abbott Elementary and Young Sheldon, or I guess Young Sheldon's over, but Georgie and Mandy's first marriage, yeah. I hope they don't take our ticket.
Oh yeah, I think it's awesome.
Okay,
I think it's awesome.
so then I'm already happy.
He's like, I could leave now.
No.
He's like $8 Basul.
I will make
How many
it.
dollars are?
Hello? This is beautiful.
Yeah.
I wonder if they do like premieres here.
Your friend don't fly, and forever peace make way. You're the emblem of the land.
You know all the words.
Yeah, why do you know
that?
that?
I forgot. As soon as I was Yeah.
Does anybody like musicals? Do you like musicals
Yes.
a little bit? Okay, we're gonna do it. Everything today. It's gonna be fun. So we're gonna hop off the cart. We're gonna come.
Smelly cat. Oh, you stop?
जाके यहाँ picture निकालने.
I will after. I would like.
walk through?
I want a coffee.
You want coffee now or after?
No, after. No food and beverage allowed. Dude,
That's crazy. Yeah, look, show they can.
it's. This is. Oh my god, it's all Crazy Rich Asians. I feel like we've taken a photo in this couch in like 50 locations.
New York, where else?
New York.
Oh, okay.
I haven't.
Wait, really? You weren't there for that?
She still lived in Philly. Dude,
What
I
the-
wasn't there either.
Yes, you were. Zone play.
It was just the kids. The mom wasn't there either.
I was moving.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents. I've got presents. That was me. I'm Harry Potter now. Surprise!
Nah, that was
I'm actually playing him in the new TV show.
good job.
Thank you.
That was great.
That's cool. Whoa. No, I'm good. It's so cool. They have all of the new Superman movie costumes. I think by the time y'all see this, it'll be out. But like this is like the new Superman. Like that's so cool. Whoa, this is one of the original Superman.
There's nothing hidden.
What do you think? What do you think?
The sorting hat can't see. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. Ah, your bonus knows no bounds. Yes. You're clearly a Gryffindor.
It's Dobby. Alright, my brother, mom, and Mehak just got on the trolley, so they're going to the farmer's market. And I am waiting around the Grove. We're at the Grove, by the way. And I'm just waiting around here because Haley, which y'all never met her because we've never met. So we're meeting. She lives in California. So I'm just waiting for her to come, and then we're gonna just walk around, and yeah, I don't have much else. I'm here. I got a lavender bloom blossom. Waiting for Haley.
No, they're all.
I'm very excited. Also, it's a little windy, so you may not be able to hear me. So good. Literally, as always. Alright, so we're back at the hotel now. We got some tacos in WeHo. I didn't vlog because I was really tired, but that is all for this week's vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to come back next week at 12:30 Central Time for our next day in LA. Peace.